about making your life a bit more convenient and tech savvy. Amazfit is a popular brand when it comes to wearables. और इसका Amazfit GTS 2 Mini एक popular product है which was launched last year. It was well liked among users, and now for this video we have got the new Amazfit GTS 2 Mini new version. These two smartwatches aren't very different from each other, yet we'll have a closer look at the new version smartwatch in this video and find out if this smartwatch is worth buying or not. हेलो हाय नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं गैजेट टाइम्स। मैं हूं पावनी जैन और अब बात करेंगे Amazfit GTS 2 Mini न्यू वर्जन स्मार्ट वॉच के बारे में। लेट्स बिगिन। So my first impression as soon as I took this smartwatch out of the box was that it is so lightweight, and it genuinely is. The smartwatch, in fact the dial, weighs only 19.5 grams. It is made of aluminum alloy and plastic. The straps are however made of silicone and it feels really smooth on skin, not itchy at all. This smartwatch is around 5,000 rupees, so considering that, it comes with good and strong body structure. Design wise भी आपको ये smartwatch देखते ही पसंद आएगी. It has got a square dial and to be honest it goes well with my body type because I've got a thin wrist, so it suits me well. But this doesn't mean that a person with broad wrist would not like it. They will like it too. इस स्मार्टवॉच का स्क्रीन साइज है 1.55 इंचेस. It is an AMOLED panel with an always on feature and a resolution of 354 by 306. The watch offers 450 nits of brightness. ये हुई टेक्निकल इन्फॉर्मेशन. अब आते हैं इसके एक्चुअल एक्सपीरियंस पर. So the display feels really smooth. You actually get that makhan-like experience on this smartwatch. The colors look vibrant, sharp and crispy. The viewing angles are also really on point. And when you are outdoors under the bright yellow shines, the legibility is appreciable. Now it's time to look at the user interface. It is easy to understand and fast. Users can quickly move from different features on the smartwatch and it does not hang back. It works on firmware version v.1.0.4.12. The smartwatch has thousands of watch faces, hundreds of sports modes, well yes, that is exaggerated, and plenty of health features like 24-hour heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, blood oxygen saturation measurement, and stress level monitoring and more. For women, the company has also included female cycle tracking. Now why this smartwatch gets winning points for all these features? It is because these features are quite accurate and they are extremely good. Plus, the smartwatch offers a host of customizations. Other features on the GTS 2 Mini new version include built-in Elixir support and GPS, water resistance up to 50 meters, and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, among other things. एक important चीज़ जो smartwatch पर होनी चाहिए वो है vibration intensity, and this smartwatch gets it right. Coming to the battery capacity of this smartwatch, it is 220 mAh. कंपनी का कहना है कि 2 घंटे में ये स्मार्टवॉच पूरी तरह चार्ज हो जाएगी and it is pretty true. Once it is fully charged, आप इसको 10 से 12 दिन तक आराम से इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं on a typical usage. 11 अप्रैल 2022 को ये स्मार्ट वॉच इंडिया में लॉन्च हो चुकी है. दिस इज अवेलेबल इन 3 डिफरेंट कलर्स, ब्लू, ब्लैक एंड पिंक. इसका बेसिक प्लेटफॉर्म रिक्वायरमेंट है Android 5.0 या फिर iOS 10.0 एंड अबव. यूजर्स इसे खरीद सकते हैं 5,999 रुपये पे, ऑलमोस्ट 6,000 रुपीज. नाउ लेट मी गेट स्ट्रेट टू द पॉइंट, जस्ट गो एंड बाय इट. वेट, ऑल्सो सब्सक्राइब टू गैजेट टाइम्स फॉर मोर सच अमेजिंग रिव्यूज एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.